Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Fan Screens. In today's video, we are going to show you 10 transforming parking garages of the next level. Let's get started. Matter Architect Garage Project. What do you see here is not to set a movie like a taxi or a transformer, but a real-life garage system located in Auckland, New Zealand. The project was done by Matter Collective, known for their unusual solutions in architecture and private residence designs. Previously, there was a bedroom here. The designers rearranged a part of the building to implement their idea, reinforcing the resulting niche, installing a car lift, and making a garage for 2 cars, while keeping the original facade. Moreover, even the fence remained the same, though it also had to be motorized. Autostacker Parking Lift. A 2-car lift is a rather popular and practical solution. This model can withstand up to 6,000 pounds and comes in several different versions. According to the creators, it is elegant, safe, and intuitive, and can be lifted in about 55 seconds. It uses many patented solutions. For example, the door sentry door protection system made of special rubber will prevent accidental scratches and dents. Even the platform design is patented. It's also suitable for sports cars and cars with low ground clearance. These cars lifts are great not only for private but also commercial use. For example, they'll be very useful in car museums and exhibitions. The company creates photorealistic models of any space equipped with lifts on request. All you need to do is to send in the room layout. GazeBox. Why does the garage have to take up a lot of space? Here is an alternative that you can install even in a small space, providing protection for your car in any season. The garage is available in several versions and can serve as a gazebo if necessary. The basis of the construction is made of steel and cellular polycarbonate. The manufacturer assures that it protects against ultraviolet light, wind, rain, and snow. The garage can be opened manually or remotely. In some versions, there's also a side door. The creators point out that the special design of the garage allows for an excellent airflow, and you can buy a lot of additional options from the lighting system to solar panels. Also, if desired, the garage can be upgraded with a colored film. IdealPark. Why build a garage at all if you can hide your car underground? That is exactly the solution suggested by the creators of the lift. This option is interesting for several reasons. Firstly, its upper part can be clad with a variety of decorative materials. Secondly, the capacity varies from 5,953 to 7,716 pounds depending on the version. And thirdly, the lift is equipped with a set of solutions by the IdealPark company, thanks to a combination of laser scanners, radar, and infrared barriers. There is no need to put safety barriers around the platform. The control system is very advanced. It features a fingerprint scanner, automation of many options, and remote maintenance. The solution will be especially interesting for those who don't want to spoil the view of their garden by building a garage. Trutegra Crane Automation. A long time ago, a boat storage system was built in the American resort city of Fort Lauderdale. One of the technical solutions was to move the boats with a special crane, but there was a problem. The boats were swaying quite a lot that slowed the maintenance, and loading and unloading operations also could damage the boats. The problem was solved with equipment that uses sway technology. Thanks to the simple touchscreen interference and new technology, boats are moving much faster and without swinging or contact with other boats. What's more, after the equipment upgrade, more boats can now fit in the same space, which is a very nice bonus considering the price of the land and real estate. Cardok Turntable 360. With this platform, you can finally forget about complicated maneuvers. It rotates 360 degrees, making it much easier to drive your car into a garage or parking lot and to get the car out again. The carrying capacity of the platform starts at 6,600 pounds and its diameter is 16.5 feet. The manufacturer is ready to make a version on request, and you can install it both indoors and outdoors. The motor power is 1.5 kilowatts and and the platform is controlled by a special panel or a remote control. One full turn takes about a minute. That platform is designed for temperatures ranging from -13 to +122 degrees Fahrenheit. And for more aesthetical look, it can be covered with an asphalt or paving stones. Folding box garages. This another solution for motorcyclists. This system by German craftsmen will protect your vehicle from precipitation and thieves. It's made of aluminum and has a sliding design that makes it very compact. The interior of the system looks a bit like an electrical airmorn and provides enough space for the motorcycle. As well as the tools and supplies, there are grills on the sides for ventilation. The system can be mounted as a freestanding box or as a wall-mounted box. The manufacturer offers 2 sizes and notes that all popular brands and types of bikes will fit in from road to dirt bikes. Solar-powered retractable car garage. A garage that fits in a parking space. Easy. You can see it on your screen. The model is solar-powered, easy to install, and quite reliable. For example, it can withstand 330 to 440 pounds of snow, carbon fiber, fiberglass, nylon, and high-strength PVDF. Membranes are used to make the garage. The base of the structure is high-quality stainless steel. The manufacturer created several models with the most compact one measuring 18 by 8.2 by 5.7 feet. All options will provide protection from the wind, dust, UV light, and precipitation, and there's an anti-thief feature too. The service life of the structure is 30 years. Evolution Parking System. According to this US company, their brainchild is the next-generation parking solution that turns one parking spot into 2 with a simple turn of a key. The system is ideal when parking needs to be expanded in tight spaces such as hospitals and hotels. No construction work is required to install the system, and the design is comfortable and safe. The upper platform takes 60 seconds to lower, and thanks to its rotation capability, it's easy to get on it. Although the maximum car height is limited to 9.5 feet at a lower level and 5 feet at the upper level. The system is 8.7 feet wide. The manufacturer also highlights the successful design, which creates an attractive aesthetic. Volkner Mobil. According to the German company that created this motorhome with a mini garage, this is the perfect combination of state-of-the-art vehicle technology and up-to-date homely interior ambience. The motorhome is almost 35.5 feet long and is based on the Volvo bus chassis, with a 350 horsepower engine as standard equipment. Inside, the owners will find a full range of amenities, from a kitchen with built-in appliances to a sitting area with a TV and a large sofa. Materials are to epitome of luxury and practicality. For example, the floor is made of solid oak. The built-in garage system is patented. The main feature is the retractable platform with a hydraulic drive. There's enough space for a compact car like a Mini Cooper or a Fiat 500. The vehicle doesn't need to be secured with cables, and thanks to the flat floor, the space can be used for other purposes.